everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So every year I see people in vlogs or in the movies wearing their Christmas jumpers, looking all cozy and festive, and yeah, I'm in SA, boiling, no Christmas jumper, never had a Christmas jumper, and yeah, I wish it would snow here, but unfortunately that's not the case. But I thought, even though I can't get a Christmas jumper, I can make a Christmas top. I thought it would be fun to just make a video out of it and create my own. So I've got these two tank tops. I got a black one and I have a red one. And I mean, these are going to be so tacky because I'm using a glue gun. You cannot wash these and reuse them for next year. This is going to be a once off, but I thought it would be fun. And soon as though I want to vlog, I'm going to wear it around Vlogmas and just like see people's reactions, you know, because there's not many people that wear Christmas jumpers. Actually, maybe none. You never see people in Christmas jumpers around here. Like, you might see them in the colors like red and gold and everything to match like the festive season, but there's no like Christmas jumpers, like, you know, that real tacky, like, where did they buy that type Christmas jumpers that people are wearing. So I thought, I'm gonna be that person and embarrass myself, but so what, it's for fun. And yeah, I just thought it would be a great idea to make this video and just play around with it, and let's see, maybe it turns out alright and we actually end up liking it. But yeah. So let's get started and see how this turns out. So let's start off with the black one. In order to make the same Christmas jumper as me, you will need a glue gun, some gold ribbon or any color ribbon that you want, green tinsel, some fluffy pom-pom balls, red ribbon, craft glue, gold glitter, and a pair of scissors. The first thing I'm going to do is the writing on the top. Now, of course, this is just a rough draft. We're going to do glitter over this. It's just so I know the placement of everything. And then we're going to have a picture that's going to go here. Now that we got our word in, we're going to go over it with the craft glue and then sprinkle the glitter. I feel it's a good idea to do one letter at a time so that the craft glue doesn't soak into the top too much. That way you can get as much glitter on as possible. And if you're not a fan of glitter like me, you can just take some ribbon and glue it directly on there too. Next thing we're going to do is make our Christmas tree. For that, we're going to need the green tinsel. So what I'm going to do is just cut off little bits and stick it like in rows, just to get it like a pyramid shape. I think it's super cute, but I'm just going to trim it down just a little bit. Okay, now that we have our tree and it's looking quite bushier than I thought it was going to be, but that's fine. We're going to go on and do the tree trunk. For the base of the Christmas tree, I'm going to be using the ribbon. So just like enough for like 3 rows maybe. So I don't know, you know when you picture it in your head and it's like, it's gonna look perfect, and then you actually do it and you're like, what the hell are you thinking? So scrap the ribbon idea. We're gonna go for a piece of paper. I'm just going to cut it like that. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, definitely. Scrap the ribbon idea. Let's go in with the paper. Now that we have our cute little Christmas tree, we're going to go in with the ribbon. The ribbon's quite thick, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to twirl it and then put it on like that. Take our little pom-poms and just glue them on in places on the tree. And there you go, my finished top. I think it looks so cute and I'm definitely gonna wear it out. I don't care what people think, it is cute. For the second one, you will need glue gun, chalk, cotton wool, or this is like a pillow inner that I have, gold ribbon, or any ribbon of your choosing, 3 pom-pom balls, craft paint. You will need orange and red. I'm going to be substituting the red with red nail polish instead because my daughter likes to mix all the colors together, so red is looking very black at the moment. That's all right, there's always an alternative. So red nail polish and orange paint I'm going to be using. Silver glitter, silver tinsel, 2 blue buttons, and a pair of scissors. The first thing I'm going to do is the writing. I'm going to take my piece of chalk and just mark out where I want the glitter to be. Now that the writing is done, we're going to move on to our snowman. So I've already kind of shaped it. This is going to be his head. Just going to tear it apart a little bit so that I can shape it better. Now that we have our snowman body all shaped out, I'm going to go ahead and start on his face. Got these 2 little cute blue buttons for his eyes. And then we're just going to draw on the little nose and the smile. Next thing I'm going to do is add his scarf on. Next, I'm going to add on his buttons. For the bottom half of the top, I wanted to put some snow so it looks like he actually is in the snow. But I was thinking of going with this, but it's just going to blend in. Then I did originally think also tinsel. Tinsel might still work. I think I'm rather going to go with silver glitter. thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating these tops. It came out a lot better than I actually imagined. So this is the snowman one. And then this is the Christmas tree one. I still don't know if I'm going to wear them out in public just yet. So there's a lot of glitter coming off, but I feel like you can fix that if you just go over it with some Mod Podge, you know, it'll just really hold the glitter in there. They're a lot more 3D than I imagined too, but I still think that they look so awesome. I love them so much, and I may wear them out in public. You're going to have to go over to my vlogging channel and see if I wear them during Vlogmas. But until then, I'll see you again soon with a new video. Bye!